Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add a motion blur effect in CapCut PC. So if you want to add that effect onto your clips, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto the editing page of CapCut already. And the first thing that we need to do is to add in some media or the file that we want to go ahead and add. So here on the media of CapCut, under its library, they offer a lot of free videos. So we're going to use that one. So we're going to choose a video in here. For example, this one, we're going to add this track onto our timeline. But if you want to use your own video, you'll just have to click onto local and import a video here. So you could just simply drag and drop a video as well in here to add it onto your CapCut device. Now, once you have added already the video in here to add an motion blur, you should be able to find it under effects. So we're going to click onto effects here onto the upper part. And for us to be able to find in the motion blur, we could actually search that one in here. So just simply type in motion blur onto the search bar in here so that it would be easier for us to find it. And as you can see, we could see the motion blur effect in here. So we could just simply drag and drop it here onto the upper part corner of our screen so that it should look something like this. So we're going to make this one fit the whole clip that we have added in here. You could also adjust this horizontally and also its strength. So just make this one as per your liking, and once you're already satisfied, you could do a quick preview for that. And as you can see, the motion blur has been added onto our clip. And that is just basically it onto how to add motion blur effect in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.